mga local governments are put on notice that I have directed you to make necessary arrangements with vacant motels, hotels, na patirahin mo muna ninyo yung mga COVID patients. Now, if a hotel is chosen or selected, then it behooves upon the medical guys to let it be that way, meaning na huwag na ninyo papasukan ng ibang healthy persons. That inn or hotel remains to be a medical facility for those afflicted with COVID. It's no longer available to the public. Tingnan naman ninyo na hindi naman makawawa yung iba.